UGC videos are essential to any brand's marketing strategy. They provide added revenue, a way to build trust with shoppers, and help increase conversions and engagement. But how do you get such content? And how can you best leverage it? Getting shoppers to create UGC videos starts from ensuring you've built a significant brand presence and products worth recommending. But there are two important things you can do to organically get more UGC content about your brand. Providing a great customer experience is critical in turning shoppers into loyal customers, and brand affinity leads to more eagerness for recommendations. Putting shoppers at the heart of your marketing lets you pull in new content as well as create a two-way dialogue and build a relationship with your online community. This will make your audience more eager to discuss your brand and products actively. Once you have some UGC content, it shouldn't just live on your social media channels. Your website is the most important touch point for your brand. Adding UGC videos to certain parts of your website is the most engaging way to educate shoppers about your products and drive revenue through those videos. Adding user-generated videos to your store is easy with Videowise. You can import content from Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube and turn those videos shoppable to drive more sales. You can learn more by booking a demo call with our team today. And if you want to find out more details about user-generated content, read the guide below.